Today I wish you happy Independence Day. Today correspondent, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about a great leader of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of independence India. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day because he loved children very much. We lovely call him Chacha Nehru. He in 1947. 1947.
నీ బుక్ కదా దాంట్లో చూసి చదువు నువ్వు గిట్ట నువ్వు చదువు.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I am Varalakshmi from 5th standard. Today we happy of India. We celebrate his birthday. He was born on November 14, 1889. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day because he loved children very much. We loudly call him Chacha Nehru. He worked close with Mahatma Gandhi during the freedom struggle. After we got freedom standard, today I wish you happy Independence Day. Expect a correspondent.
Hey, good morning to everyone.
Good morning to everyone. I am Varalakshmi from 5th. Today I wish you happy Independence Day. Expect a correspondent, principal, teachers, and Maria.
అది మినిట్స్ నీ పేపర్ చూసి చదువు. నువ్వు చెప్తావా? చెప్పు. ఇంకా 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 విన్నా చెప్పు మన ఇంకా చెప్పు. గింతే నేర్చుకో. ఇంకా ఇంకా చూసుకో. అమ్ములు చెప్పినట్లు చెప్పింది. ఇక ఎందుకంటే నేను లేపుతున్నా గట్టిగా